that.
I could stay lost in this moment forever. I don't want to close my eyes.
Oh my god.
I don't know the rest.
What's up, guys? Good morning. That was Mikey right there. He was just cutting up a little bit on the intercom. He's trying to make, you know, he's making demarcation more than fun. Yeah. That's what he's doing. He's still doing his job at 8:17 in the morning. Well, guys, this is it. We're packed up. We've got everything done. The room looks pretty much like just how when we got here. And unfortunately, it's time for us to leave. So, it's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. Spa balcony. Here's our view. Here's Port Canaveral. We're back. We are literally like bumped right up here to the edge. I don't know how this thing is still floating right now. Yeah. Look at how close we are.
Oh wow.
Like literally like just drive right up on land. Wow, we've got a skilled captain, that's for sure. I think the Carnival Magic is behind us right now. So we're gonna head out really quick and see that and run through Lido, and then on our way we have to head down to Limelight. They gave us priority debark this morning. So we have to meet in Limelight. So I guess it's a good and bad. Like we don't have to delay the inevitable as much, but we still got to get off, you know. So it's still kind of bad. So one last look at this beautiful spa balcony room. 11009, guys. We had an amazing time in here. I really couldn't point you one thing wrong with the room. Well, no, I could. The birds pooped on the window, but that is, you know, that's completely out of Carnival's control. So overall, just a fantastic stay here. Really, really, really did love this spa balcony. I would definitely stay in the spa again. Well, I don't know if I would on this ship because the spa is a little, you know, it's not really much to it, but I would definitely stay in a balcony. Let's put it that way. I would stay in a balcony again on the Carnival Sunshine. I think the views are great and it's really well worth it. So, goodbye spa balcony. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. Oh wow. Yeah. Oh, there she is. The magic. I think this might be my first time. No. Yes? I think this is my first time seeing the magic. Wow. Oh, she's beautiful too.
Is the factory on there?
Huh? No, he's on the Pride now. Cookie's on that one.
Oh, that's right.
Cookie. Hi, Cookie! Wow. And then the Disney Fantasy's also with us. Oh, beautiful. Wow, beautiful magic. All right, I think we need to run through Lido, like find like some peaches or a croissant or something, then head down, yeah?
Yes.
All right, oh, I'm stupid for... Ciao for now. That's right, because we will be back. We definitely will be back. One final last look at the whale tail up on board. Here's Lido deck. The Serenity up there. Oh, I could cry right now. I really could. I could cry. That was so much fun. Lido buffet. Everybody's saying their goodbyes. Look at all that bacon, Peter. It's self-serve too.
Yeah.
It's self-serve. I'm telling you, man, I have never seen Carnival listen so much. I have never. Good job. Good job, Team Carnival. Way to go. I'm gonna get like some peaches, okay? Yeah. 2 of these?
Yeah. And then 1 of the chocolate muffins. Yeah. Perfect.
All right, Mr. Guags.
All right.
Can you get that?
Yeah.
All right. All right. So we got to rush down to. We got to rush down to Limelight now. We can take these midship elevators, right? Yeah. Just in the middle. Bye, Lido. Alright, we're not taking the stairs for this one. Bye! Yep, here we go. Oh, I think that might be them right there. Okay, so that was it. We're leaving Carnival Sunshine. What a sad day. What a sad day. This beautiful hallway. I know a lot of people don't like. I think this is one thing that they didn't like about the Sunshine. I really do. I love this addition of deck 4. I think it's beautiful.
This towel I'm here.
Huh?
Towel I'm
Aww. Bye, Mikey. Thank you. Thank you.
I wake up at 6.
Oh my God.
Go for a 5-mile run. Then, you know, start the day.
All right, this is it. Bye, Sunshine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
Bye, Sunshine. Here we go. Bye. We're off the ship. No. Oh, that was rather fast. That couldn't be. What time is it?
8:38.
Wow, 3 minutes. Well, 3 minutes to, you know, get off. We're still in the bridge thing connected to the ship. What an amazing cruise, really, truly. How much fun was that? Look at Peter, he's like so depressed right now. But you know what? It makes it easier knowing that we have another one booked. We have another vacation coming. By the time this is airing, you guys will know it's the Carnival Ecstasy. We're gonna have, it's me and Mama Hogan go on. You guys should already know that by now though, but it's gonna be so much fun. Can't wait for that. We're going to Princess Cays and Nassau. So that makes it a little bit easier knowing that, you know, I'm always coming back to the ocean, always coming back to the sea. It really makes that debarkation just a little bit easier. Not completely, but a little bit. Hey, it's 8:50. That was what, 20, no.
It's quick.
Yeah, 20 minutes and probably 8 of that was us looking for our luggage. They had us in Zone 1, Deck 1. It should have been Zone 1, Deck 11. Like in the terminal where when they have the luggage spread out by decks. Ours was put in Deck 1. It should have been put in Deck 11. I get it. You know, they missed a number. Whatever. Found it. We got out here. So we're taking Core-Trans shuttle service back to the airport, just like we did last time. Do you know where we have to meet at, Peter?
Last time they were here holding a sign, so we should check out where the shuttles are.
Okay.
They were just here last time.
Wait, taxi and shuttle. Let's ask this. All right, then we're at the airport. 10 o'clock exactly.
Wow.
10 o'clock exactly. So that means, what was it? A 40-minute drive, 45-minute drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. Yeah, it was air conditioned, nice seats, very quiet. Thank you, Core-Trans. I was pleased with their service. Good job, Peter, on figuring it out. We gotta get in here, get through security, and get to our gate. Flying out Southwest, my flight's at 1:15. Yours is at 2:35. 2:35. So we got a little bit of time to wait. So we halfway did that. No, that's okay. We halfway did the baggage drop thing. Peter can't actually. He's too early to drop off his bags. So we have to come back in what, like 20 minutes.
We're gonna come back here, dude.
Yeah, literally at 10:35. His flight takes off at what, 2:35?
Yeah.
So 10:35 we can check in. I think that is a little silly.
Yeah, she said 4 hours
silly.
on the dot, she said.
Wow, that's crazy. Whatever. An hour,
Yeah.
you know, something.
Yeah, and
it's just
food out
yeah,
there,
it's just
stuff out
20
there.
minutes. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
So we stopped here at Starbucks really quick. I was just replying to a couple emails you know, that you guys have sent me over the week, and people want to join the group cruise and all that stuff. By the time you guys are seeing it, unfortunately, group cruise booking will be closed. My first ever group cruise booking will be closed. I'm sorry, you'll have to catch the next one. But Peter ended up getting a free coffee today. Why, you ask? Because it's his birthday. By the time you guys are watching this, it is not his birthday. It is way past his birthday. But he is a beautiful 8 years old.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
All right, security line, here we come. Yay. We're not gonna make that one, buddy.
I think we will.
That is always the most fun thing in the world to do.
Especially with a bag full of electronics. Like
Yeah, especially with a bag full of cameras and electronics and chargers. It's just so much fun, guys. So much fun. All right, here we are at the beautiful Southwest Terminal, shoved all the way in the back. Oh, that says Johnny Rivers. I thought it said Johnny Rockets. I kind of threw up in my mouth a little bit. I'm just kidding. It was good. It was just too much food.
It was too much.
It was too much food, yeah. That's why. It was good food. It was just too much food. Ever eaten so much and then you just like, oh. Oh man, look at the rain about to come.
Oh.
Look at the rain. Wow. Hello. We're just checking out the nasty weather, but is it going to delay the flights, you think?
We're good right now.
We're good right now? All right. I hope so. Anything before 2 o'clock? Yes, I'm 1:35.
I'm screwed.
Yep, you're screwed.
I'm screwed. I'll be here all night.
Man, they said anything before 2 o'clock looks pretty safe, and after that, Peter leaves at 2:35.
Yeah. Yes, I
Yikes!
do.
Here's the gates, 126, 128. Maybe for you.
Maybe.
You might be staying. You might be staying in that
I
hotel.
might be staying till the 5 o'clock flight.
No, you might be staying in that hotel.
Oh no, no.
So it's tropical storm. What is it?
Alberto.
And he is creeping on up.
You're gonna be texting when you land. I'll be like, still here.
Yikes!
Still here in Orlando.
So we're gonna go. I think we're gonna go get McDonald's. You okay with McDonald's?
Yeah.
I'm okay with McDonald's. Let's do. I haven't had it literally in like 6 months, for good reasons. Gonna ruin that today. Here we are. Got the fat. All right, that's got to be like 5 pounds right there. So I'm not even gonna pretend to do like a food review for McDonald's, but I did want to give a quick shout out because their straw paper. I don't know if you looked at this or not, but they have now switched over to straws made from plants. And I think that is really, really cool. Somebody as big as McDonald's, you know, because they don't have to. They got millions of dollars. They can do whatever they want to, you know? But they're trying to, you know, help help the world, help watch out for the next person. So kudos McDonald's to you. Well done on that. I literally just got some chicken nuggets and French fries. It's good, but just as fattening as I remember. I was telling Peter though, I'm pretty sure we sat in this like exact place right here when I was like, I don't even know, 13, 14 or something. That was the last time I was in this section of the airport. Isn't that cool? It's like a little reminiscent. I wish I had video, I would throw it in right now, but I don't. I have absolutely nothing for you guys. I'm sorry. It was our little McDonald's adventure right there. We're heading to my gate. My plane boards in like 35 minutes, 40 minutes.
Yep.
Got a little bit more time to wait. It's off to North Carolina right before this nasty storm hits. Sorry, Peter. No hands. Guys, I told you last night, I highly recommend you bring one of these battery backups. And then I just got a really short, this is a 1-foot long, I think, cord. Both from Five Below. It has helped me so many times. Like I said, right by that nightstand, or on a big travel day like today. You know, my phone's already at 32%, and it's just 12 o'clock. Now, tech support over here is probably gonna tell me it's because, you know, I'm not closing my apps right or something, but I'm just telling you it's because I've been busy today, so we're just gonna plug her in. And, wait, can you guys see? Ready, set? Yay! Now we're charging. Thank you, Southwest, for changing the gate number, not letting us know. It's now 122, was 126. It still says 126 on the boarding pass in the app, but it's 122. Thank you so much for that. All right, guys, it's that time. Time to say goodbye to this guy. Peter, I've had so much fun these past, what, 9 days, 10 days. Have you guys enjoyed Peter? I think he held up well. He's definitely not a mama hokum, but I think he definitely fulfilled the part very well, guys. So it's been an amazing vacation, Peter. Thank you. Peter will be with us on the Carnival Horizon in October, so you guys definitely, you know, he'll be back. He's not going away, and Corey will be there too, so Corey will be back for that as well. So Peter, come here, give me a hug. Oh, I'll see you soon, buddy. Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Here's the plane. Is that my suitcase? I think that's my suitcase. Oh my gosh. Huh.
I got it.
Thank you. Back in Raleigh. Let's go find Papa Hokum. There he is. Huh? What? Hi.
Hi, so look what the cat drug in.
You found my bag.
Yeah, I know.
We gotta find my bag.
Yours is 2.
Okay. Well, I just got the 1. I hope it made it here. They did something funny. They put it in, they called it EBA, early boarding area. Because we got the airport at like 10 or 9:30. So they never put it on the belt.
We're gonna go down here.
All right, you guys. Well, the time has come. We got the luggage back in North Carolina, picked up Papa Hokum. Papa Hokum picked up me, and we picked up the plane, and we picked up the picked up. And we're here now. And so the time has come to finish it out, guys. What an amazing cruise down, visiting Aruba, Curacao, and Grand Turk. Make sure if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, head over, and make sure you hit the like button on Facebook, and check me out on Instagram. That way you can stay the most up to date with everything that I'm always doing. I'm always posting cruise photos, always having contests, giveaways, that kind of stuff. And we do that all over there on Facebook and Instagram. So make sure you head over and you've liked those pages, guys. My name is Josh. It's been real, it's been fun. It's been real fun hanging out with you guys this week. Make sure you head over to the website, grab those sunglasses. On behalf of me, Peter, who's not here, and the rest of the Hokum gang, it's been real, it's been fun. It's been real fun. See you guys real soon. Bye.